With just a laptop and this small device, you can perform Toyota OEM level diagnosis. Today, let's check out the Toyota Voice full system scan in just 3 minutes. Let's plug in the VCI. Use the wireless USB adapter. Connect with the laptop. Now, let's move on to the computer steps. First, go to the XTOOL official website and download the J2534 toolbox driver. After the download is complete, extract the zip file and run the extracted .exe file to start the installation. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer. After restarting, first, switch to the WLAN 2 network to make sure your computer has internet access. After confirming the internet connection, click the Wi-Fi button to connect the device. Launch the J2534 toolbox software. Wait a few moments for the program to start up and display the main interface. Next, open the Toyota OEM diagnostic software you've prepared. In the top menu, find Settings, then select VIM, select. In the pop-up window, locate and select XTOOL J2534, then click OK. Next, click Connect Vehicle and wait for the connection to complete. The software will automatically detect the vehicle information. Then select the vehicle parameters: brand, name, model, engine, and option. Once done, click Health Check. The system will start a full vehicle diagnostic scan. You can also click Data List to view real-time data streams. There are many OEM functions waiting for you to explore. Do you understand the J2534 features now? Remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.